Hi guys, today I am making a slime like this. This big and this little. Okay, first we have glue, water, coloring. Do you want to add coloring or not? Sure. And borax and water. You want to make bag of borax, you want to have your borax. Okay, put the borax in the water. Mix. Okay, we don't mix.
To make the activator, we put the borax into the water and stir it well. Okay, next.
Okay, we add glue.
Okay, we add some glue.
Guys, do you must add clear glue, not white glue, okay? And add coloring.
Okay, add some coloring.
Okay, then add some water.
Add some water.
Okay, like this. And add the water with the glue. And we add activator to the glue, water, and coloring. Some water, okay? This.
Okay, we just put a little bit of activator.
Okay, now it's time to remix it. Oh, that looks so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna mix this slime already now. Okay, we're done. Look, but this slime is so sticky. We must add some water again.
To make it less sticky, you can add some water into the slime.
Okay, and now we mix.
And you can make it.
Okay, well done. Mix, looks like this line. Not sticky now. Next, you must add activator and borax and water. You must add. You want clear or color like this. This clear and pink. This is very, very beautiful. We must add
You must put the borax into the container.
Okay. You guys really must add this. Okay. Today this is first time we make a video.
This is your first time. talking in front of the camera. Okay.
Okay. Okay, this time I want to go to the bed and goodbye.
Goodbye and good night.